The National Unity Day is a state holiday in Belarus celebrated on September 17 and marks the unification of the Western Belarus and Eastern Belarus, which happened on September 17, 1939, the day of the Soviet invasion of Poland during World War II. The Minsk Arena, one of Belarus's most prominent venues, periodically plays host to a unique showcase that celebrates the nation's manufacturing prowess. This exhibition offers visitors a glimpse into the vast array of products manufactured within the country's borders. Among these products are both military and civilian vehicles that stand as a testament to the country's engineering capabilities. The military section of the exhibition is often an impressive sight. Here, visitors can see up close the latest in armored personnel carriers, tanks, and other military transport. These machines, boasting cutting-edge technology, reflect the country's commitment to national defense and its significant investment in research and development. Their designs often incorporate advanced armor, propulsion systems, and electronics. Parallel to the military display is a range of civilian vehicles that include everything from family cars to heavy-duty trucks and buses. These vehicles, often branded under popular Belarusian names, demonstrate the nation's capabilities in producing everyday transport solutions for its citizens. They emphasize both functionality and design, aiming to cater to various segments of the market. Beyond vehicles. While vehicles, both military and civilian, are a significant part of the showcase, the exhibition at the Minsk Arena often includes other products. These range from machinery used in agriculture and construction to household goods and electronics. Each item proudly carries the Made in Belarus tag, underscoring the country's diverse manufacturing base. The showcase at the Minsk Arena is more than just an exhibition, it's a statement of national pride and a display of Belarus's commitment to innovation, quality, and self-reliance. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Share it to anyone you think might find this interesting. Thank you for tuning into the Two Boomers.